Okay, so we have next question. The number of 3-digit numbers divisible by 2 and 3 but not divisible by 4 and 9. So we have to count the number of 3 digits that are divisible by 2 and 3 but not divisible by 4 and 9. So this is the question that has been asked on 24 January 2025 mains. Okay, so just see if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. So the simple logic says that the number will be divisible by 6. So first of all, find how many numbers are 3-digit number. So when we know that the 3-digit number starts from 99 and it ends at 999. So I will subtract 999 minus 99. That will become what? 900. So there are 900 numbers that are 3-digit numbers. Okay. Out of that 3-digit numbers, I have to find the number which are divisible by 2 and 3. So instead of finding the 2 and 3 divisibility common, what I will do, I will directly find what are the number that are divisible by 6, right? So easy way of doing this is 900 directly you divide it by 6, you will get the value as 150. So there will be 150 numbers, 3-digit numbers that will be divisible by 2 and 3. And since it is not divisible by 4 and 9, so first of all find that how many numbers are there that are divisible by 4 and 9. So what I will do, 900 divided by, since the number are divisible by 4 and 9, so it should always be divisible by what? 36 also. So I will find it by dividing it 36, 900 divided by 36, that will come 18, it will come 25, correct? So this will come 25. Now the number divisible by 2 and 3 is 150, the number divisible by 4 and 9 is 25. Now they are saying how many numbers are there which are divisible by 2 and 3 but not divisible by 4 and 9. So simply we will do the subtraction 150 minus the 25. So the answer finally will come 125. So there will be 125 numbers that will be divisible by 2 and 3 but not divisible by 4 and 9.